So, I forgot my toothbrush and I wasn't expecting to film this morning. Well, at this point of the day. But I thought I would share this hack with you because my grandmother definitely showed me how to do this when we were on a train going to like Florida or Atlanta when I was a kid. And we got toothpaste, which we also forgot. And I am going to show you the Caribbean way. I don't know if I should speak for all Caribbeans, but at least grandma's way. And I've used this many times when I forgot my toothbrush on brushing your teeth.
If you are going to use this hack, please do not use it to replace your daily teeth brushing.
So first, obviously I need to open this up. I used to just take the toothpaste and put it on my finger, which I think a lot of people do when they forget the toothbrush. It's kind of like a mouthwash. But I'm going to take it up a notch because I feel a little grimy this morning. Oh man, I can't get this off. There you go. So, I have a little makeup on my hand. I already did my makeup, but that is okay. Cleanliness is more important. So you just put some toothpaste. I don't know if I'm blurry. So put the toothpaste on your finger, and most people just like do this. That's like beginner level. I'm gonna do an extra step, and that's also use this washcloth. Use this washcloth, use the toothpaste. I usually like to wet my toothbrush, so I'm gonna wet the washcloth as well. Put the toothpaste on, and then go at it. Okay. I can't get everywhere, so the rest is gonna have to be water. Like I said, I put my makeup on already, so now I have like a little makeup on it, but it's a hotel. It feels like a hostel or Airbnb. Don't use our towels, especially if they're white. But yeah, I feel pretty minty.
You could also just go downstairs and ask them for it.
What's the peanut gallery saying over there?
You could also just go downstairs and ask them for a toothbrush.
I was showing them.
Or remember yours.
I was just showing what you could do. I was gonna get a toothbrush, but then I was like, you know what? Let's use this opportunity to show some hacks. So if you wanna just do a little bit, just put the toothpaste on your finger and go around, or you can take it up a notch and use a washcloth to help get some of that grime off. And actually, my teeth are pretty clean. It's not gonna be thorough, and I usually have floss on me. They might have some in here, actually. Nope, but they probably have some downstairs. But that's the hack for this morning. and the hater in the back.